The metaverse has seen significant hype over the last few years, enthralling the minds of enthusiasts and investors alike. And from virtual reality to augmented reality, the metaverse offers it all. However, the hype has fallen short after only 3 years, with the metaverse failing to retain the attention of the business world. Defined as a collectively shared virtual space where users can interact, socialize, and engage in various activities, the metaverse captured the imagination of technology enthusiasts, investors, and futurists alike. Amid the hype and excitement surrounding the metaverse, financial investments have been substantial, with tech giants like Disney and Meta, formerly known as Facebook, investing heavily to dominate the space. However, today the metaverse has failed to reach its potential. As tech journalist Ed Citron stated in Business Insider, the metaverse, the once buzzy technology that promised to allow users to hang out awkwardly and a disorientating that world video game, has died after being abandoned by the business world. It was 3 years old. And while the demise is evident, it was foreseen from a mile away. One piece of evidence of the demise of the metaverse, as Zetron put it, was the money Meta lost with its metaverse investments. Now, Reality Labs, Meta's virtual and augmented reality research arm, was the most aggressive investor in the field. And since its establishment in 2019, Reality Labs has lost $46.5 billion in metaverse investments. As a result of these losses, Meta reportedly stopped pitching its metaverse to its advisors. And Disney's restructuring under returning chief executive Bob Chapek saw the metaverse division laid off in 2023, just over a year after its formation, to eliminate $5.5 billion in costs. The story of VR, as we know it today, started in 1968, when Ivan Sutherland presented the first head-worn augmented reality display. Gaming companies adopted and developed the idea in the 1980s and 1990s. Established in 2012, Oculus Rift launched a high-quality VR headset for gaming, attracting significant attention to the product and the company itself. In 2014, Facebook acquired Oculus Rift for $2 billion, and the purchase was 7 years before Facebook renamed itself Meta, which sparked the metaverse hype. Meta wasn't alone in its trajectory either. As part of its belief in the metaverse's potential, the industry predicted the need for tools that could enhance the metaverse experience for its users. A recent dead metaverse public administration breathes new life into virtual tech. In the quest to materialize the metaverse, VR and AR technology saw significant progress during the boom. They aim to offer immersive experiences and blur the lines between physical culture and digital realities. Meta has invested heavily in both its metaverse and VR technology. While it has been losing a substantial amount in the metaverse field, its VR investments have performed to better folks in comparison. In 2023, Meta released its VR headset, the Meta Quest 3, sold for $499. One of its main competitors, Apple, also released its headset, Apple Vision Pro, in 2023, which is priced at $3,499. According to Fortune Business Insights VR market research report from June 2023, United States VR market was worth $19.44 billion in 2022, with the potential for significant growth by 2030. There's also significant demand for VR products on the consumer side. A recent survey by KPMG revealed that 61% of adults in the U.S. are willing to pay $200 or more for devices like VR headsets that are used with a metaverse. Moreover, VR's benefits go beyond the metaverse and gaming, covering a wide range of areas, including healthcare and education. John Rodd, owner of Global Growers Report, a newsletter platform about technology trends, was able to foresee VR's success as early as 2022, which was during the middle of the metaverse boom. Claiming the future would be VR dominated, and Rob said 2040 will feature an AR-VR mix, but it will mostly be AR, with applications applying digital overlays on existing reality.
this will roll out as fast as smartphones did, but with many times the impact. It will be central to the work and private life of 3 billion plus people by 2040. By then, 500 million people will be earning a living from working, selling, etc. in this environment.
VR technology, which was developed as a mere tool for the metaverse, is not accompanying its mothership in its downfall. Instead, VR shows great potential for transformative experiences. Innovators and developers are still actively pushing boundaries, using VR and AR to boost productivity, foster creativity, and revolutionize collaboration. Miguel Palencia, founder of Moonland Meta, a Web3 gaming metaverse launching in 2024, told Crypto Moon that 40 years ago, people thought the video game industry was dead, and until a few smart companies invested in quality products. However, this new standard for quality metaverses could take a long time to develop, according to Andre Baral, Chief Business Development Officer of CLS Global. Recent crypto bull run ignites surge in job listings, salary increases. He told Crypto Moon, "I think that the future of metaverses is bright, however not in the near future." We have multiple very interesting metaverses with a growing numbers of users. However, ideally, it will take about a generation to transition. A hybrid application of VR and the metaverse looks promising, especially in work settings with the rise of remote and flexible work arrangements. The metaverse offers new possibilities for collaboration and productivity. Whether through virtual offices like Gather or simply team meetings hosted using applications like Google Meet, VR has allowed teams to connect and collaborate regardless of geographical boundaries.